by logging onto our website, sonoranliving.com. We cannot wait to see you there. Shifting gears just a bit, vodka isn't just used in those martinis that you sip at the bar. Today there is actually a new trend with vodka, and what they're doing is infusing it with natural flavors at home. And according to our next guest, Liddy Matthew, co-founder of the TRU Organic Vodka, these drinks are sophisticated enough actually to bring to the dinner table in just a little sippy sip.
Sure.
Liddy, good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me, and thanks for the chance to make these great organic infusions. We're celebrating the bounty of the farmers market using fresh organic produce and seasonal things. So, for example, in this jar, I've got vodka, and it's a plain wheat vodka, strawberries and mint. And in the next one, you know that's going to be great in a champagne cocktail, for example.
Okay.
And in here, I've got cilantro and jalapenos and chilies going. And that's great.
It's going to have a bite to it.
Oh, it's going to have a bite to it.
Well, I mean, they both are because they're vodka.
Right.
But this is going to have a sweeter aftertaste.
Exactly.
A bite.
And this is going to be great in like a south of the border Bloody Mary.
Okay, well, show us how you do that as you continue to talk about it.
Yeah, one of my favorites is a cucumber orange infusion, and I think of it as like a spa in a glass.
Okay.
So basically, I'm going to put some wheat vodka in here. It's organic wheat vodka, the TRU, because I want to celebrate again the organic produce that I'm using. So here, I'm going to put some the zest of oranges, and I've taken all the pith off because that makes it bitter.
Okay.
And some fruit, so again, all the pith is gone. And some cucumber that I've peeled because I don't like the bitterness of the skin. Now, cucumber is something that I would never, it's not something that we would make as a flavor and put on the shelf because there are molecules in cucumber that kind of have this, it'll go funky from time to time. So we want to use real ingredients and have it fresh at home, so it's much better as a fresh homemade infusion.
Okay.
So here I've put the alcohol in. We've put like 2½ oranges. I ate the other half while I was waiting.
I was about to grab one, Liddy.
They're really fresh and seasonal. So I put it in the jar here with my 2 bottles of vodka. I'm going to give it a good shake like this, and I'm going to come visit it like, I don't know, twice a day. I'm going to open it up, smell it, see how good it's, where it's going, and then add more things. It's like cooking. My tips are go with really great aromatic ingredients, fresh farmer market type produce, and of course wheat vodka is great because it pops in your mouth when you're making cocktails.
And then I guess when you serve it, the key would obviously be to strain it.
Well, yes, exactly. Beforehand, like a few days after you're done, you just strain it when this is just about done. So like maybe in 3 to 5 days, you put the vodka through. This is just a coffee filter. You drain it through. And here, I've put it in a bottle. See, it's almost, it's got a lot of the particles out.
It's very clear,
Yeah, and I've got a little tag so that I'm ready to go to my party or to put it in the fridge so that I can make cocktails.
What's the staying life on that, the shelf life?
I would say this is good for like maybe a month.
Okay.
So that's why these are great as fresh infusions. And that's the same when you're using strawberries or chilies. It's really good for like, 2 to 4 weeks. After that, they start turning. So that's right. And here we can just make a little cocktail and you're, ready to go to your next dinner party.
There you go.
This with mint, your new vodka, and some soda.
Well, I appreciate you coming in and showing us how to do that. And of course, you've also got these TRU Vodka bottles that are just available. Already done. The work done for us.
Exactly.
We appreciate you coming in. Thank you.
Thanks very much.
We'll have more information on sonoranliving.com. Well, we want to learn more about infusing vodkas at home, and so what we did was have Liddy go ahead and give us a little write-up. So go ahead and visit our website. You'll see a little bit more expanded information on sonoranliving.com.